Hey guys, Mr.III here, and in front of us we have a GE Profile. This is that 2-in-1. So far we've noticed some things with drying. People have that little dampness when you have to shake and then it's all dry. But I guess there's another factor that you actually have to maintain instead of just cleaning out your lint trap. It's actually cleaning out the lint trap from down below over here. So this is the drain filter. So you have to just apply some pressure downward, pop it open, take this out. We haven't cleaned this out yet, so this is our first time in a few months of having it. I'm just going to use this bucket. It's also a little, there we go, I don't know what you want to call that, lip to help catch. And then we're going to have to churn this here so you can just tell it has this blue filter. I'm just going to get my hand, and warning, it might smell because it's just standing water and all that stuff. But if you don't have the pedestal like we do have here, it might be a little tougher for you to get that angle. So if something, use a pan, but just turn slowly and then it should start rushing out some. Or that's what I think. Okay, there you go. We got some water flowing. Keeping that down just to control it. It's recommended to do this every 50 cycles. But if this is going to affect, how to keep your clothes dry or a quicker dry cycle, even though this thing doesn't use that much energy, but we want to save time, I would do this, like I said, every month or even every 2 weeks, because it's not too hard to do. But also keeping the other stuff clean, that's the way to do it, so you can actually have nice dry clothes. And later on I'll be making a video showing my likes and dislikes of this unit. Alright, so that's all the way out. Let's see, how bad are we? Not bad at all. I know a lot of people have this thing is completely full, but we just have some hair and that. So our stuff is, I guess, working fine. So I'm just going to go clean that off. But that's how you actually open and get that out. You might even get a notification if this is clogged on the main display. But all you do is clean this out, put it back in, and then you can run your clean cycle. Hopefully this video helped you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Mr.III out.